Hey up, guys. Um, yeah, I just thought I'd come out just to show you what's over there. Can you see these colors? This is absolutely brutal. It's absolutely fucking horrible. Now look at that one. He's just past here. Huh? He's just past, and he's still going. He's still going. Yeah. Since yesterday, this fog that we've been having, it's come down. It's come down 3 times since yesterday. When it came down before, really, really thick. And then it disappeared. Blue skies, like it is now. It's a perfectly clear blue sky. Apart from this over there. That it's like this every night. Every night it's like this. And you've got this bastard going down here. Then you've got another one coming across here. Okay? And you've got another one going on the side of this one. It's a little bit more higher up. I don't know if you can see it on the phone. Huh? There's another trail right next to that one. There's another trail right next to that one. And guys, how can we stop this? How can we stop this? Can we? Is there something that we can do? Look, and there's another one up there now. Yeah, you won't be able to see it. It's more or less on top of the moon. It's more or less on top of the moon right now. So if you can see the moon there. Yeah, but you can't see it. You can't, he's up there. He's up there anyway. And yeah, he's cooking it. He's fucking cooking it. And my wife still thinks that's a beautiful sky. Oh my god. Oh my god. No? Anyway, guys. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you what's going on here in the Italian skies. You see this? Yeah, well, there's fuck all we can do about it, I don't think. Even if there was, it's too late. You see all this black here? You see all these clouds black? This is the coal dust. Or the whatever the canal it is that they're spraying on us, like bugs. They're all black clouds anyway. And this afternoon, while I was driving, I took a little video, but I cancelled it because it wasn't so clear that I was in the car, you know. Yeah, so there you go, guys. It's an occurrence that's happening every day. Every day. Every fucking minute of the day. Every minute of the day. And yeah, let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look upstairs. Let's see what we've got up here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's even worse. Excuse me, I'm just going through the house. That looks even fucking worse from up here. Wow, that's just fucking unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Nah. Look. That's just fucking incredible. Anyway, six and a half minutes. I think that's enough. Because I know also at your houses, wherever you are, on this flat plane, you look outside your windows, this is the sky that you have, maybe a lot worse. It's for sure not any better. It's either like this or a lot worse where you are. Because this is nothing today. The rest of the sky is all clear. The rest of the sky is clear, it's just... So, I leave it there, and guys, take care. Yeah, be good to each other, take care, and see you soon.